Welcome to Expertrain's one-day Microsoft Excel Advanced course. This course is for attendees who want to expand their knowledge into some of the more advanced functions, analyze and summarize tables of data, and automate common tasks. You must have a good knowledge of Excel and be competent at working with formulas using absolute cell addresses, use basic functions like sum, average, max, min, and count, and be able to write formulas across multiple sheets and multiple workbooks. By the end of this course, you will be able to use logical, lookup, statistical, and error functions, use auditing tools, create range names and use range names in formulas, set restrictions on data entry using data validation, protect an Excel cell, worksheet, and workbook, automate common tasks by recording a basic macro, create, edit, and format pivot tables and pivot charts. This course is available on regular public scheduled dates and is delivered virtually using Microsoft Teams, allowing you to attend from the comfort of your home or office. If you have multiple staff members who would like to attend, we can also arrange a private group course, either virtually or in person at your location. Our trainers are based in the UK, and our standard course timings are 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. However, we can adjust these timings for private group courses, which can be especially beneficial for those joining from overseas. A full list of topics covered on this course can be found on our website. If you would like any further information regarding this course or to make a booking, please email inquiries at expertrain.co.uk. Expertrain, your pathway to excellence in IT and professional development.